I'm Rianne Van Rompaey.
And I'm Tata Harper, and I'm here to demystify some beauty questions that she has today.
So the first question I have for you is, how do I actually apply moisturizer?
Super important. So for example, when you are applying creams, you always want to go from the chest up. So I'm gonna show you. You know, you want to do like a little spoonful and then mix it together and create like a little foam.
Oh yeah.
And go up. High, and then around the cheek to bring a lot of microcirculation and blood flowing through your cheeks, and then always up. So just put the rest and finish forehead.
So would I use this in the morning or at night, or what is?
Moisturizer is morning and night. It's every 12 hours.
How much of the product should you use every time that you apply?
You know, like a little bit like this is probably enough.
So would you say, even for me, should I use eye cream? Is it something you really need to have in your daily routine?
100%. Well, that is actually a great question. A lot of people ask me like, you know, if I put moisturizer around my eye, why do I actually need another product? It all has to do with the concerns around the eye area. So for example, around our eyes, we accumulate a lot of fluid, a lot of fat.
Is it because the skin is different?
The skin is different and it's thinner, and also we don't get the same amount of circulation of blood that we get through our whole face just because the skin is so thin. So eye creams are an absolute must. Always want to make sure that you not only cover the obvious, which is here, but you also cover here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I love this Japanese eye techniques that are about draining the fluid that we accumulate around the eye. You want to go up and out. And you really want to go slowly, but with a tiny bit of pressure. And I also love to apply a little bit here in between my eyebrows. Yeah, so go like this, like in little circles. And also another trick is that eye creams are fabulous around the lips, just because the skin is thin, just, you know, it's thinner than around the eyes, but it's just like a more delicate skin. Yeah. And eye cream formulations work really, really well for the whole contour of your lip.
Amazing.
So that it's the proper application of eye cream. It's completely orbital. So that's how you apply your moisturizer.
Amazing, that's what I'm gonna do. Thank you so much.